Hi there, I'm Dr. Noel Nelson, and it is my pleasure to share a few thoughts with you today, some uplifting, inspiring, and practical tips to help you find greater happiness and success in your life. Today's topic, the Negativity Grinch. There is a far worse Grinch than the Grinch that stole Christmas. The Grinch that stole Christmas is but a poor second cousin compared to the real granddaddy Grinch of them all, the Negativity Grinch. The Negativity Grinch, when totally allowed into our hearts, can ruin the most beautiful Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa of all, the joy that is our natural birthright, whether it come from the beauty of a sunset, the glow of pride from a job well done, the warmth of a smile. All these pale and turn cold when negativity overwhelms our lives. Negativity, in its place, is healthy and helpful to an aware life. Negativity is what makes us ask questions, look twice at things, weigh the evidence, and take precautions in our own best interests. Negativity becomes the Negativity Grinch when it takes over the majority of your thoughts and feelings. At that point, it loses its value as an approach with caution helper and turns into a nothing ever goes right hinderer. So, handling negativity appropriately does not mean pushing all negativity out of your life. It means learning how to use negativity so it contributes, oddly enough, positively to your life. For example, the negative thought that there is violence in our world, our cities, even our own neighborhoods, can either have a healthy function or an unhealthy, joy-stealing one. The healthy function is that awareness of violence can motivate us to deal with and end the violence. The organization Mothers Against Drunk Drivers is a prime example of the healthy function of negativity. A mother whose child was killed by a drunk driver started this group, which has become a powerful lobbying force instrumental in creating new laws against drunk drivers, thereby saving many other lives. Negativity was transformed into positive good. Allowing awareness of violence in the world to overwhelm one's thoughts and feelings, however, would have had a very different effect. It would plunge you into depression and cynicism, which could lead either to inaction or random acts of destruction, neither of which are going to cure anything. The mother whose child died in the drunk driving situation could easily have let herself be dragged down by her natural grief and concluded that life was horrible and unfair, and perhaps even committed suicide as a result of her overwhelming negative thoughts and feelings. This would have been to no use to anyone and would have given the mother no joy at all. Instead, she used the negativity to motivate her to take the action which led to her healthy, positive contribution to society. Although creating Mothers Against Drunk Drivers could never make up for her dead child, it certainly gave her the joy of knowing she was saving many other children's lives. Don't let the Negativity Grinch eat up your joy. Keep negativity in perspective as a warning, a motivator, a catalyst for change, and free yourself to enjoy the sunsets, the smiles, and the love you so richly deserve. Thank you for listening to Up, and check out my new book, Phoenix Rising, Surviving Catastrophic Loss, Fires, Floods, Hurricanes, and Tornadoes. If you'd like more uplifting, inspiring, practical tips and techniques, please visit my website, noelnelson.com, or take a look at my Meet the Amazings Facebook page. Until next time, be well and take care.